Spider Miles is now out of Onyx Philippines. You know what time it is? Hands in. Kadalasan ng mga nagcha-champion na teams, hindi sila nagpapalit entirely ng players. Kasi wala ka naman talagang rason para magpalit, di ba? Kaka-champion nyo pa lang. Matik na lalakas ka talaga. From the first 5 up until the 6th man. But I think for Spider Miles, it's a different story. Kahit nasabihin natin na nag-champion na siya, nakuha niya na yung M6, meron pa rin siyang gustong patunayan sa sarili niya, and that is the fact that he can play at a high level. Malay mo, may nag-offer sa kanya na isang team na competitive yung bigay at competitive yung binubuong roster. And he wants to be part of that dahil ang nasa isip niya, kaya ko ring gawin yon na this time, hindi na ako yung nasa backline. It was a really good run para kay Spider Miles sa Onyx Philippines. Just imagine nung FNOP pa sila, he knew what he was supposed to do, which was to take a step back and let another player play his role. Pero ngayon na ang dami na niyang natutunan, alam na niya kung paano gumalaw, he probably realized na siguro masarap din sa pakiramdam pag nakuha ko yung kampyonato na ako yung maglalaro. I like this attitude. It's all or nothing. He's all out.